Hello friends, today let us speak about IVF Lite or minimal stimulation IVF and how it differs from conventional IVF. In conventional IVF, the goal is to produce as many eggs as possible in one IVF cycle, thus increasing the possibility of pregnancy. One of the drawbacks of this approach is the high doses of fertility injections or gonadotropins that are taken to stimulate the ovaries. Conventional IVF also becomes very expensive due to the high cost of fertility injections. In contrast, IVF Lite is a gentle approach to fertility care. It differs from conventional IVF in its use of a minimal amount of medication to stimulate the ovaries, so they produce fewer but better quality eggs. Research indicates that in conventional IVF, about 4,000 to 5,000 international units of gonadotropins are used, whereas IVF Lite uses oral medication and less than 1,000 IU of injections. When more injections are used, as with conventional IVF, although more eggs are produced, usable good quality eggs are only 4 to 5. In our IVF Lite protocol, we aim to produce just these 3 to 5 good quality eggs. So most patients ask me, are just these many eggs enough? Well, less is really more as far as the number of eggs retrieved in one IVF cycle is concerned. I have worked with thousands of eggs and embryos in my 25 years of career, and I can very confidently say that the quality of eggs retrieved in IVF Lite is much superior, and it also gives rise to a higher percentage of euploid or genetically normal embryos. So finally, the most important question, what about the success rates of IVF Lite? Research from world-renowned experts on IVF Lite prove that IVF Lite or minimal stimulation protocols are gentle, closer to nature and very successful. We have published a research paper comparing the results of IVF Lite and conventional IVF. In our research, we have shown that for patients with advanced maternal age and low AMH level and poor responders, IVF Lite works very well. We have very high pregnancy rates and high live birth rates for this difficult group of patients. I take pride in the fact that we are able to make these patients pregnant with their own genetic eggs instead of donor eggs. In fact, IVF Lite works beautifully not just for poor responders but for all groups of patients. But remember, to be successful, IVF Lite needs a highly experienced team and a cutting-edge embryology lab with advanced techniques. It is important to work with a clinic which has a huge experience in this type of treatments. In the next video, I'll be explaining the 5 steps involved in the IVF Lite procedure. So stay tuned, and until we meet again, take care.